If ballistic missiles were fired toward a U.S. Navy ship, the situation would be extremely serious and potentially escalate into a military conflict. The U.S. Navy is equipped with advanced defense systems designed to protect its ships from various threats, including ballistic missiles. Here's what could happen. 1. Ships' defensive systems. U.S. Navy ships are equipped with sophisticated missile defense systems designed to intercept and destroy incoming missiles. This includes the Aegis Combat System, which incorporates the standard missile family for air and missile defense. 2. Countermeasures. Ships may deploy countermeasures such as chaff and decoys to confuse and divert incoming missiles. These countermeasures are intended to disrupt the targeting systems of the incoming missiles. 3. Evasive maneuvers. The ship's crew may engage in evasive maneuvers to avoid the incoming threat. Maneuvering at high speeds or changing course can make it more challenging for missiles to hit their targets. 4. Communication and coordination. The U.S. Navy would communicate with other elements of the military, including air and ground forces, to coordinate a comprehensive response to the threat. Joint efforts would likely involve the use of integrated air and missile defense systems. 5. Escalation of tensions. If ballistic missiles are fired at a U.S. Navy ship, it would likely be perceived as a hostile act. The situation could escalate rapidly, and the United States may respond with military force to defend its interests and ensure the safety of its personnel. 6. Diplomatic and political responses. The incident would also trigger diplomatic and political responses. The United States would likely engage with international partners and organizations to address the situation diplomatically, seeking support or condemnation depending on the circumstances. 7. Potential conflict. Depending on the nature and origin of the missile attack, the incident could lead to a broader military conflict. The U.S. may take additional military actions to eliminate the threat and protect its interests. It's important to note that the specific response would depend on various factors, including the type of missiles used, the perceived threat level, the geopolitical context, and the overall strategic objectives of the United States. The use of ballistic missiles against a U.S. Navy ship would be a significant and potentially grave event, with wide-ranging consequences for regional and global security. Diplomacy and military deterrence are crucial elements in preventing such scenarios and maintaining international stability.